This is about extreme value algorithm. Before doing the algorithm, we should first understand what is actually extreme values. In simple terms, we can just say extreme values are nothing but max and min values in a function. Now, how do we find the max and min values? You need to follow the following steps. First step is the function needs to have a derivative at every point in a given interval. We can represent the interval as lower limit with a and upper limit with b. Therefore, we have to find f prime x, and that is the derivative of. If we are able to get the derivative of fx, then we follow the next step where we have to put the derivative equal to 0 and we find critical numbers. Now you all know what are critical numbers. These are the values of x where derivative is 0. Third step is find fx values for critical numbers within the domain. That means lying in between a and also find fx at a and b. That is the endpoints of your domain. Fourth and the final step is maximum value of fx obtained is a max, minimum value of fx obtained is a min. We can use these steps to find out the extreme values on any function given the domain between a and b.